Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today you are going to learn how to redeem airplane points for flights. So let's get started. First visit aircanada.com, their website, and then fill in your departure destination and dates in the travel details section. Check the past books with points on Aeroplan, then log into your Aeroplan account, optional but recommended feature. Here logging in gives access to preferred pricing. You can also see the weekly award calendar showing the lowest point prices. Now, browse flight options, review the available flights, and choose one that fits your schedule. Flights may have different reward levels, starting from standard to latitude. Each level has different point requirements and perks. Then select payment method. You can pay through fully with points, a mix of points and cash. Taxes and fee can also be covered with points if desired. After filling all this information and selecting payment method, complete the booking process to redeem your points for your flight by confirming. And that's all. That's how you will be able to do this process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.